Most people think you need a website when they start with Kajabi. They jump straight into building it. They spend weeks, sometimes even months, trying to design the perfect website, and they never actually launch. Hi, I'm Diane, a Kajabi expert who's helped over 60 business owners set up and launch online. In this video, I will show you the very first steps to set up your Kajabi platform the right way from the start so you can save time, reduce stress, and focus on what really matters. Think of it as building a house. You don't start with the curtains and the paint colors. You start with the slab, the plumbing, the wiring, the foundations. Kajabi is the same. The website can come later. First, we need to get the back end right so everything runs smoothly. So here's step one. Go into your Kajabi settings. This is the part most people skip. Work your way through all the settings, but as a minimum, focus on these to get you started. Add your site title name, upload your logo, favicon, and brand colors. Update your SEO page title, descriptions, and image. And update your name or company in the marketing settings. Upload your logo and set your button color and text in the email template branding section. And then upload an image in the mobile app settings so you're instantly recognizable to your members and students. These simple steps are the foundation for your platform. To make it easier, I've created a free guide, Kajabi Settings You've Probably Missed. It walks you through the must-have settings step by step so you don't miss anything. And if you're ready to try Kajabi for yourself, grab my 30-day free trial link in the show notes. And while you're there, download my Kajabi Settings You've Probably Missed. Once your settings are in place, make sure you watch the How to Create Your First Opt-in in Kajabi and Grow Your List. That's the step that gets people onto your email list so you have an audience ready for your launch. Don't waste weeks or months stuck on a website that does not move your business forward. Start with your settings and get your foundation right, and you'll be set up for success.